So I was in the process of installing my new backup camera and I said, why not make a video about it? So took off this plastic piece. To take it off, you do need to take off the tail light because it is wedged underneath, as you can see on this side. So you need to take off at least one tail light to take this plastic piece off. And then I took off this light, and as you can see, the cable kind of just went through. I didn't do any cutting or drilling to my car because I did not want to do that to my car in case I ever just want to remove this, you know, unplug it, take it out, and we're good to go. Anyway, it won't be, you know, it's not a permanent, I guess you could say. So these two wires connect together. It comes with this extra wire that then connects one to power and then this other one to ground, which I am going to connect actually right where the tail light hooks up to, which is somewhere over here. Anyway, I'm gonna feed this wire all the way to the front. Sure. Sorry I didn't go into detail on feeding my wires through the car, but you know, that's something you gotta figure out on your own, I guess. It was just kind of tedious, but here I am. The next step. This is for another video. Don't worry about that yet. Anyway, this is the backup camera cable. Those are the cables that this connects to. And by the way, just a quick heads up, it does not connect to these cables. The backup camera does not connect to those. It connects to this lonely one by itself that comes with the kit. I found that out while I was testing it. And yeah. So once we get the harness back in there, I will show you guys that. So this red wire that's next to the yellow wire is actually going to go to the backup wire, the pink one right here. It says it's labeled backup. So if you don't have one that's labeled back, you might want to see the little harness. But I mean, if you have the same stereo, I don't see why it wouldn't be this pink one. Anyway, this red one connects to that pink one. And just like that, they are one with each other. So now we just take this cable. Did I lose it? Oh no, here it is. Take this cable, connect it here. The solo one gets connected here. And then it just goes into the stereo right about there, in the bottom. Then you can plug in your other little ones when you try to shove it back inside. So that's gonna be the fun part, putting it all back together. So you got your 3 screws over here, and everything else clips in place. So yeah, so if you haven't seen how to take off the stereo, you're gonna need to take out your stereo. If you already have it installed, actually, you need to take it out. This is the GPS, which is up there. And yeah, so what we're gonna do now is take that and pop it in place. Something I did forget to mention is you do need to be running a ground wire and a power wire that splices to the cabling that comes with the kit, and one of them goes to the reverse light. As you can see, I have it in reverse right now, but it is the green wire on the reverse light. So just testing it out, as you can see, the camera works. The only way you get it to work is if you hook it up with the reverse wire. Otherwise, you will be wondering, why does my backup camera not work? And then you'll feel kind of dumb and feel kind of funny when you realize you forgot to plug it in with your reverse light so it can get power when you go in reverse, which means it'll switch right to it. This is for something else. This is for the PS2, which is another video that you guys will see here in a moment. But yeah, that should be it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys later.